there was no information for the forest to the community people. Before, our representative senator used to make decisions in our absence. But when we got to know the importance of the forest, we went and we provided information to the community people. When they got interested in the forest business, they usually come and attend meeting with us. And for each time we will call meeting, we can see huge attendance. During the election, we were able to change 2 of our representatives. And we replaced them with people that we trust that can make a difference for us. We have voice a bit over our forest, over our community land. Before companies can enter in the forest, they will contact us so that we can sit down and go into arrangement